Hello family, we are yet in another video. So someone just asked me to throw some light on journaling retracts in a GBRU machine, how retracts are being treated. So I'm going to just give you a brief of it and how it can be done, and so you can start from there depending on the customer requirement. For further information, you can contact your service provider handling the professional services. Okay, so as you're seeing here, journaling retract counts. It's what we are going to be looking at. What you have to know that retract counts are journaled after the retract operation is done. Yeah, so it cannot be journaled when the retract has not been done. So we can there are several ways we can do this. For example, the first one, there is this file called cache in journal, formatting. Yeah, formatting. So you can look for this file in your NDC. So if you are going to localize, if you're going to do the localization, um, if you're going to do the localization of the file, localization of the files, meaning you're going to be handling this in-house. So you talk to the customer, then the customer tells you what to do, then you go to the ATM, you edit according to the customer preference, how he needs the cash in to be treated on the journal. Yeah, this is what we call localization. So this is the file you can edit manually to meet the customer expectations. So let us look at the registry setting where we can do this as well. So this is HKey local machine backslash software backslash NCR backslash XFS. Then we specify XFS is going to be looking at what. So we are going to the GBRU, and or the GBNA key. So service provider. This is the route. This is the route we are directing the XFS to operate. Service provider. So then backslash still XFS. This is the route. We are still routing the machine, looking for the functionality. We are looking at device control. Be so sensitive on the characters. Yeah, GBRU-GBNA / interoperability. Ability slash expands retract note list. So this is the function route where the retract which is going. This is the function route in the registry that is going to enable us to change or to edit how the retracts, the cache in retracts, are going to be treated on our machine, either on the GBRU or GBNA. So by default, this is how it is going to be. Yeah, by default, this is how it's going to be. So to ensure that the retract serial number is correctly updated, the CPA must be configured to report the retract operations by setting the following registry. So this one which I've just given you, it is the default. Let me indicate it for you. This is the default setting. So if you need the notes to be recognized, then you have to do the editing. Edited registry root. So now this is what we are going to, if you need, as I've just said, if you want to the retracts to be treated, okay, to ensure that the serial numbers is correctly updated, the CPA must be configured to report the retracts operations. So this is now what you're supposed to edit right now. After looking at this route, then you're going to, this is what we're going to do. After here in interpretability, so we are going to change this. Yeah, we are going to change this. So as I said before, you can edit directly, or you can write a script to run directly on the ATM to save time for the customer engineer. So here we are going to change this to the function we need to operate, which is to report retracts, report retract operation, retract operations. Here it is expand the same tier retract and not list. This is the default. But if you need, remember we say, as we said, we need to ensure that the serial numbers is correctly updated. So right now we are making sure that the CPA is configured to report the retract operations. So from this to this, okay, yeah, that is so after doing that, all your retracts will be journaled according to your expectations. So in the next video, we shall look at how journaling retracts can be also be treated on the journal. But for now, this is the answer for retracts to be treated in the GBRU or the GBNA. Thanks for watching.